Oh, okay. Well, my name's Jason Jenkins. I'm with ReMAX. I've been licensed for 25 years now. I first sold a Miller & Smith home several years ago, and it was actually a resale in Brambleton, and I was very impressed with the quality of the construction, the floor plan design, and of course the community. And every time I see a new community by Miller & Smith pop up, I'm one of the first to show up on site. So the Miller & Smith communities that I've sold in Northern Virginia would include Belmont Bay, the Retreat at Westfields, Walraven at Kingstown, Brambleton, and Cayden Ridge. So I actually specialize in 55+ active adult communities, and they just came out with another product in Belmont Bay that they're actively currently selling. I've sold 4 already to date, and it's a phenomenal product. A 3-level elevator town. You have an option of either a front load or a rear load garage. Belmont Bay in particular is a very exciting community because it's a walk or a step to the marina, and it backs right next to the wildlife preserve. And a lot of people don't even know about this community. It's right off of Route 1. They have their own VRE station, a lot of walking trails, and I absolutely love that community. I've also sold here at the Retreat at Westfields, and even though there isn't a model, they've sold several already just on the fact of Miller & Smith reputation. They've been a quality home builder here since 1967, and again, I've sold in several communities, and I back them 100%. Miller & Smith's reputation actually helps me. The quality of construction, the seasoned professionals as far as their sales manager, many of them have been in business for 10, 20 years, and it helps set an ease and a comfort level for my clients that they're not just buying another home, they're buying a quality product that Miller & Smith stands behind, and I couldn't be any more impressed than I am. Miller & Smith is definitely the way to go.